Hello, welcome to another video. So today we are diving deep into some self-care. It is spring, which is basically summer. Like, girl, it's time to have your skin out. It is swimsuit season. So I want to get into how I achieve soft, glowy, beautiful skin. So let's get straight into it. I love doing at-home waxing. I feel like it's more time convenient and it saves money. Personally, I do like using hard wax. I feel like it's easier and I get better results than using a soft wax, but that's just my personal preference. So now I'm stepping into my oral care while the hard wax melt. I am using a electric toothbrush, and I feel like this just really get into those creases and crevices. It cleans my gums really well. And I'm also using some mouthwash. And I did use my what's it called? Teeth whitening strips, but for some reason I didn't get it on camera, so that's my bad. Oops. Like this video if y'all want to see a more in-depth video on how to do at-home waxing. I can't get too in-depth on the personal areas, but we could definitely do like a little underarm, a leg, a 1-2, 1-2. So I love using Nair to remove the hair off my legs, but I did say I was going to start waxing my legs simply because I need it to last longer and I want my skin to look much smoother. I get strawberry legs, so waxing will definitely like prevent that, but for right now I am using Nair and I let that sit for 10 minutes. After that I get in a shower, wash it off with a washcloth, and yeah, that's it. I need me some Jesus in my life, amen.
This shit was all I knew, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely.
So next I'm stepping into foot care because baby, how you step into the world is important. And you can't be stepping in with some crusty feet, okay? So the first thing I like to do is scrub off all that dead skin. And then after that, I like using a buffer because that buffer really helps smooth out the skin under your feet. And then my next step I actually didn't get on video is I like putting Vaseline under my feet and then putting socks over it. I don't know what it is, but that last step really does the magic.
Conversation, it's a celebration. Let's toast to the fact that I moved out my mama basement to a condo downtown, cause it's all about location. I sit and drink wine and watch Californication of life. You should have been here to kick it with me. We could have split this whole thing up 50-50, but now I'm at the 40-40 getting bitches tipsy, killing shit. That ever so talented Mr. Ripley. How I go from being the man that you argue with to me and Dwayne Carter putting out the hardest shit. I should want to go back to the one I started with, but I'm addicted to this life, it's gonna be hard to quit. Yeah, just ask me how things are coming along. You can tell me that you never heard none of my songs, long as you end up saying one day you plan to listen. Cause what's a star when its most important fan is missing? All I knew, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain when you're no longer involved.
If you've been subscribed to my channel, y'all know I've been living by Vanish. I use their skincare morning and night, and my skin has never looked better.
Say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Oh.
And they also have a microneedling tool. I didn't use it today because I honestly didn't need it. I only use it once or twice a week, but I absolutely love their skincare. As y'all see, I'm using their cleanser right now. This is their pumpkin enzyme mask. I'm using the sculpting tool to apply it because I don't know, I feel like it actually works. I feel like it does something. But I let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I wash it off with warm water and a washcloth.
Best kept secret. Grips on your waist, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT.
So our last step is the vitamin C cream. My skin feels baby smooth and it looks baby smooth.
That's why I need a one dance. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time where I go. Higher powers taking hold.
I feel like a lip sleeping mask is like so important. I wake up with plump, soft lips. Like my lips literally look so good because of this mask. I use it every day and sometimes I even use it as a lip balm. The most important step in my self-care routine is my bath. And yes, I did clean it. Do not come for me, okay? I got good hygiene, baby. That's why you're here. But yes, I am about to soak in the tub and read my book. As y'all see, I'm tying my hair up just so it doesn't get in the way as I'm trying to relax. So that wraps up today's self-care routine. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this was informative for y'all. If there's anything else y'all want to see, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll get that out to you guys. But without further ado, I'll see y'all later.